Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So I did a pretty big cleaning yesterday. It's probably hard to tell since I have even more stuff in here now, which I'll go into detail with this. This is it's definitely going to be a project, but I don't know, I think it's going to be a pretty cool project. Hoping you guys will like it. We got lots of toys. Lots and lots of toys. Everywhere. These generators really got to get finished. Charging up the battery right now for that one. That one should be done, but for some reason, I don't know if the head's just not seating correctly. It just doesn't have proper compression. I put some PB Blaster in it yesterday just to see if that could possibly free up the rings. And actually, let me add a little more. I guess it seeped through. I'm pretty positive that the rings are fine, but it's the fact that it sat so long that the rings are just stuck. So I'm trying to get them free. Man, they're just not giving out yet. But we'll be working on that a little today. This, I already ordered a brand new starter for it. The starter that's on it seems pretty weak. I know it needs a new battery and stuff like that. Probably new tires. I don't think it would need new rims, but we'll see. The rims I'm definitely gonna sand down, get all the rust off them, repaint them. I would like to do a full, I wouldn't say like restoration. I don't want to go that crazy, but I want to have this thing looking really nice. Like I want to put brand new, repaint the whole thing red, new decals, put the power shift and the Yanmar Ym146 on it. You know, I want to make this thing look really nice. There's going to be a lot of stuff I have to kind of make because I know that they don't make stuff anymore for this. I'm going to have to make a panel for this over here. So I figured I'm just going to use some diamond plate and cover this up. I might come out like over here, angle it out, angle it back in. Same with that over there. You know, I want this to be nice. I know it's got a lot of hours. I think, let's see. Yeah, it's got 1,700 hours on it. But the oil still looks good. It's not leaking. Surprisingly, you know, it's from what I was told, this was old man owned. So the guy actually just passed away last year, so he must have really used this for a long time. And that's why these are the kind of projects I like. You know, stuff that may have been used a lot, like just like my truck. My truck's got 283,000 miles on it, about to hit 284,000, and it still runs great. Say, what else? It does have this side piece, which is nice, so this is just going to get repainted. But I don't think I'm going to go as crazy as just repainting the whole frame, because the frame is still okay. Maybe one day I'll do that. But it is a tractor, you know, I have to keep that in mind for a lot of this. They're not supposed to be 100% perfect. But I do want to make it look nice. Because even the John Deere, that's original paint on this. And it's still got a shine to it. It's not perfect shine, but it's still got a shine. And trying to think what else. We just have projects everywhere. I just got to get busy today. I'm going to get the heater going. And I'm going to crank that over a few times. Excuse me. I'm going to crank that over a few times. See what I can do. Maybe we can clean up some of this mess if that can get put back together. Because I have just parts everywhere. I do know that the head seats perfect now though. Because I did reseat the valves. Valves are perfect. This, I just have to, actually, because it's daytime, which I'm not even used to being up like this, because it's daytime, I'm going to be able to mock up the battery holder for this. I And that was the other thing. I have to find a way to get this muffler to fit, which I should be able to. I was gonna buy the proper muffler for this, but I don't think the money is there for one of these. By the time I buy all of the exhaust pieces, you know, that's what I'll resell it for. You know, it's just, I don't see the worth in that unless I can find it cheap, which is why I've been kind of waiting around to see if I can find a used one cheap, but I haven't been able to find any so far. But the diamond plate is all mocked up. Been using a lot of diamond plate lately. I like it. It's different. It's what I like. But yeah, we're definitely making progress. I know it doesn't really look like it, but we are making progress. And hopefully soon this thing will be running too. This will be a whole nother project though. I gotta finish a few. I figured since the starter will be coming for this anyway, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to even start working, like fixing it up properly yet. I don't know. Let's just start off with generator stuff today. I'm already losing track of what I'm supposed to do. Like I said, the battery's charging, and I'm gonna get the GoPro most likely on a time lapse. This will be like the 100th time I rebuild it, but that's okay. I'm just hoping I can get this free. I know that once it fires up and it gets some heat, it'll free up, which I might even try to just put some heat in the cylinder just to kind of free it up a little bit, but we'll see. Alright YouTube, that's my little update for today. Well, for now at least, it's not for today. Diesel Dan Peters, signing out.